The goal of this chemistry problem is to get the amounts of each element to be equal on the opposite sides of the arrow. We do this by changing the coefficient. The coefficients will multiply the amounts. Before we begin, I always list the amounts of each element on the reactant side and then for the product side. First we'll balance the metals, then we balance the nonmetals, then its hydrogen, and leave oxygen to the end. Let's start with the amounts of the reactant. There's 1 iron, 1 sodium, 2 chlorides because the subscript 2 multiplies the chloride by 2, 1 hydrogen, and 1 oxygen. On the product side, there's 1 iron, 1 sodium, 1 chloride, 2 hydrogen. The 2 on the outside of the parentheses multiplies everything inside the parentheses by 2, and so also 2 oxygen. Now let's start balancing by changing the coefficients. Go in order from top of our list to bottom, and everything should balance out. The metals are already balanced, so we'll balance chloride. There's 2 on this side, but only 1 on the other side, so I'll change this coefficient here to 2. The 2 multiplies the formula by 2, so now there's 2 chloride and 2 sodium. The amount of chloride is fixed, but the sodium got messed up. Always go back to the top and balance anything that got messed up, so I'm going to change the coefficient of the sodium hydroxide to 2. That doubles everything here, and so now we have 2 sodium, 2 hydrogen, and 2 oxygen. And now everything's balanced.